you attended along with another
Right.
75
Yeah.
People,
Yeah.
your leaders in the company,
Yeah.
the leadership development session we did.
True.
What was your personal experience or insights? If you could just
My-
summarize that for us.
My
briefly.
personal experience is that you used relevant examples. My experience in that presentation is exclusively based on how you engage and brought people into your speech, into your presentation, because we are not what you call it, philosophical people. We are very, pragmatic.
Yeah.
We see things, we build things by hand. So the utilization of certain examples in the presentation was very useful in my view.
Yes.
So that's one thing came out,
Yeah.
where you said, okay, next, and then you say about the beach and the number and everything. You cause people to think.
Yeah.
That was the main function, right? So when you push people to think, they begin to change.
Mm.
So that's kind of a first step. So I mean, I enjoyed it.
Yeah. What do you think could possibly be the impact of this shift in mindset with more awareness on the thoughts and what it does? If that happens, how does this help improve the culture?
Yeah. Your intervention or your teaching, coaching, mentoring will going to reinforce that culture. How? Because you will going to show people that emotional balance, because at some point your whole training will also talk about EQ,
Yeah.
right? And in the EQ, if people are emotionally balanced, they are happy, and happier employees are an asset.
Yep.
Angry, mentally miserable, cause risk, legal risk, and the risk, whatever risk you want to call it, right? And then they have these fights going on. Why you give him the more money? Why I got 4 star? This guy got so your coaching, teaching will help them to attain that EQ level, by virtue of which they will become more anchored into reality, live in present, enjoy, learn to appreciate what we have here, rather than, because as the saying goes, if you are living in the past, you are always thinking what if, could have, should have, and hence miserable.
Yeah.
If you are thinking about the future, you are always anxious. Oh, that could hit me, I could die, this guy can, right? So how to park yourself in the moment, but with that parking yourself in the moment also gives you the boost to your emotional state of mind and cause you to be happier where you are. Because yes, certain things we do here make them happy, but nothing would make them happier by virtue of helping them to attain their emotional state of mind.
Yeah.
That's how I saw this whole
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
So,
So,
did
Mr.
you
Saeed,
follow
like
that?
if you were to just summarize it in like a minute or two, your whole experience, and then if someone were to explore, bringing this to their organization, what would be your message to them?
My message to anybody who is looking to partner with you is they should spend time with you to jointly draft a strategy vis-a-vis the presentations. Why? Because somebody may not be doing 10 sessions, somebody might be only doing 2 sessions. So one has to leapfrog it based on their constraints, the budget, the time, and so forth. People should upstream partner with you, sit down with you, and walk you through the finer points of their setup.
Yeah.
Because you have the knowledge. You came from academia, you came from corporate world. You can custom tailor anything for anybody.
Yeah.
Whether it's a pharmaceutical, construction, software, it doesn't matter. You have a very broad experience and deep knowledge by virtue of your degrees and your teaching. So people must spend time with you and honestly tell you what are the issues and what they are looking, and then get out of your way.